Hey everyone, Dinesh Sharma this side. Today in this video we are going to understand if there are any invisible objects in our Excel sheet and how do we select all of those, delete all of those in one shot so that our file is really very clean and not so bulky. So here is a sample file. I can see the name of some lakes and continents is given, but I don't find any object in this sheet. But if I hover my mouse on this side, I see that the cursor is changing the shape. That means if I click here, it is also selecting some object. That means there are some invisible objects. I do not know how many of those are there and how do I actually select all of those in one shot. So for that, what you need to do is go to the home tab and then right side you will find editing section. In this group you will find this button, find and select. Click on this drop down and at the bottom you see selection pane. Click on this. On the right side selection pane will open and here you can see that these many objects are present in this sheet. Now what is this all about? Why it is these shapes are there but it is not visible? So first understand that all your Excel sheets, every Excel sheet got two different layers. One is the grid where your cells reside. This is the base layer and on top of this there is a drawing layer. On that drawing layer these objects are embedded, which is not part of the cells but it is on the top of it. Now why these objects are not visible? Because maybe their color, their outline, the fill color is selected as no fill. That is why these are quite transparent and we are not able to see it. So let me show you that if I click on any of these objects, that object gets selected here. So this is how you know that these many invisible objects are there. Now how do we delete it? You can simply click on any of the object and hit delete. It will get deleted. But if there are more than one, then you can select any one of these and click press Ctrl and select the other and also delete those. But if there are many such, then it will not work. So what you have to do is you have to go to this find and select again, and just above the selection pane you will find select objects. Click on this and then start selecting the complete area where your data is and leave the mouse button. You will see that all of these are selected. Now once all of these are selected, hit delete and everything is clean. There is one more object which was not selected because it was outside my selection area. I can also delete it now. So now there is no invisible object here and my file is really very clean and it is not that heavy. I hope you understand how you can find out the invisible objects, delete many of such in one shot, and this video is helpful to you. If that's the case, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn Excel in depth. Thank you. Have a nice day.